So typically I like to save the very best for last, but today we're going to switch things up and I want to show you the best part of this house. This gorgeous backyard, beautiful wash back there. You can see the saguaros. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It's located in Anthem, Arizona, and in Anthem there are also clubhouses, golf. You know, you can dine at the clubhouses, go and have happy hour if you'd like, just a short walk to some of them. Also, you have access to the Anthem Community Center, the main large community center, which is award-winning and has, workout facilities, pickleball, you've got pools, you've got a train park, you have all kinds of things to do there. But hey, let's also check out the inside of the house. If this house caught your attention, and quite frankly, I don't know why it wouldn't, send me a message and I'll get you in for a private showing.